Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI and the most beautiful espresso cups I have ever seen.
Hywisnok has made these gorgeous hand painted ceramic cups. I am so obsessed with ceramics and pottery, so I knew that I absolutely needed to have these. They are so precious. They come with their own little coasters and spoons, and each one is unique. They are four different colors. You can tell that they've been hand glazed and they are just a delight to drink out of and to make my espresso in. I am in love with these earthy colors, and the spoons are beautiful. Best part is they are dishwasher safe, and they would make an amazing gift for someone or gift it for just yourself.
These cups honestly make my espresso even more enjoyable every single day. I love having them on my countertop. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, and that's my point of view.